Hey, what's going on, traders? No trades today, but I didn't want to leave you guys high and dry. So I figured I would just kind of come in here and go over this week. So let's get to it. If you do ever have any questions, comments, concerns, you can always leave those down below. You can always find me in the Discord or Twitter that are in the description. And I am live right now every morning that the market is open. So if you want to come ask me some stuff there, or just say hello, feel free to do that. Always like and subscribe. Appreciate the support. This week took 11 trades, which is actually more than it felt like. Felt like a pretty slow week. Accumulating $212 of profit. I only had one loss out of the 11 trades, but as you can see, it was literally for $1. I remember taking this one, and it was actually, I believe, only because of slippage. It should have been break even, but we ended up taking a little bit of a loss. Really nothing too much to talk about. Profit factor 213. That's just based off of the wins over losses. So obviously that's going to be pretty high since we didn't really lose much. And yeah, a lot of small winners, some decent winners in here as well on the trades that actually worked out pretty well. We can kind of click through some of these if we want to kind of go through them real quick. I love coming down to just the chart, just to kind of review the charts. I don't really post my charts anymore because TraderSync does everything for you as far as putting the arrows on the charts, and you can kind of look at it that way. Can kind of go over to the next trade pretty quickly as well, just hitting the little next arrow. I used to use the setups and mistakes. You can see I had a bunch of different setups. This is back when I was trying almost next to everything, back before I really knew what my edge was. The mistakes column, I only made the whoops for when I took the Tesla trade, as well as I think it was like GPS and Veru. When I was trying new stuff, that big downswing you see on my P&L chart, it's kind of when that all happened. I do remember this one came up. It didn't do what we wanted. I believe it missed our take profit by a penny. So that one was frustrating. I think that would have been like a $20 winner. Ended up being a $2 winner. Plug, I remember fighting this one a little bit. Once you get a couple days behind, it'll actually show you the running P&L, which is pretty cool. So you can see we were kind of fighting this the whole way, and then finally we got a nice little pop the correct way, and that's where we ended up on it. I didn't think, I was gonna say it's saying I'm up 59 something, but that's not right. Oh, you know why? Because of I had some realized loss in there. I remember that, so that makes sense. But yeah, as you can see, if we scroll in on this one, I don't know what I just did there. You can see it was a pretty tough trade. We managed it really well, though. Possibly could have got a little bit more out of it if we scaled out a little bit different. But I mean, it's pretty much all the same. If you follow along all week, you've already seen all these trades. But I guess this was more of kind of just going over it, showing you that TraderSync is awesome. Again, could work on maybe holding a little bit longer here. But again, I always say, as many charts as I can show you that do this, I can show you one that bounced exactly where we got out and went higher and stayed that way the rest of the day. Actually, let's just go find one real quick, because I'm pretty sure one of those happened at least a couple times. Pretty much in the green on this one the entire way. This one, Nova, pretty good one there. Loading the chart. This one ended up continuing down. Of course, this is going to be the week where none of them did it, right? I honestly don't remember. I feel like I remember at least a couple. So this one tried to go higher, but then ultimately died and then ended up moving higher. Oh yeah, this was the day of the penny stocks. That was the day that I made like $60, but I really only made like $30. This is the second trade on it. Oh, well, there you go. I remember I took 2 trades on that one. And the only reason I took 2 is because after the first trade, which I got out pretty much break even, you can see that after the little pullback that it made, it went much higher. And this is actually where we got our second trade. So I'm just going to end it there. I don't want to sit here. I mean, there's probably only like 1 or 2 more trades anyway. For the rest of the week, there was only 11 trades total, like I said. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. If you ever do have any questions, comments, concerns, all that good stuff, feel free to let me know in the comment section or on Twitter and Discord. And I hope you all have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Peace.